Hi everyone, welcome to this new video from the Test Kingdom. Please note that the content is for reference only, that the data may vary from the actual situation. Today, let's do magic. We will see how to get the items needed for develop, and also how to grow the magic and how it makes a difference on the battlefield. You will find in college your magic, the magic house and the magic book. In the magic house, you will have two parts, power of elements, power of chaos, with 2 levels in each. You may find player talking in game, referring to level 1 and level 2, to old magic and the new magic. The magic house is where you got your items to upgrade your magic book. There is 2 types of items. Magic crystal, it will be used to upgrade level of magic skills. Magic shard for unlock different magic in the book. You got 2 types of prize pool. Common analysis for power of elements, advanced analysis for power of chaos. You will need crystal balls to analyze and get the magic shards and crystal. Each pool get different color of rewards. Green and blue quality mostly for the common one. In advanced pool you will get mostly purple than orange. Also some blue, but mostly it will be purple than orange. You get 5 free, common analysis a day, and 1 advance. Little tips with in-game ad, you can get 1 more. You can draw 1 by 1 or by 10. Once you get your items, click on Magic Book. You will find a red spot where you can activate a skill. Select the magic, then click on Activate. Activate the magic skill will give you passive skill and attribute boost. Attribute boost can be upgraded with magic crystal. Passive by level up stars of the magic skill. You got 5 levels to upgrade with the correspondence magic shard. 3 first level need 10 shards, 4th need 20, the 5th need 30. You can upgrade your attribute boost using the magic crystal till level 30. The boost adds to your global stat directly. So how to get extra crystal ball or magic shard? In your store, you can exchange gold for globes, 2000 for common, 6000 for advances. Play events The Dark Knight. In the Alliance reward you get crystal balls, so set your castle to achieve the level 30. Check the season events now, give thanks with a daily share and you got a common crystal ball. Also you can go in the gift from princess exchange with the advanced crystal globe. The Lord of Trial. I love this one, this event. You have daily tasks for unlock different level. Each time you can collect resources, gold and more, and you have chests and keys. So in the reward you will have defensive ice level 5 shard and also bloodlust of fire level 5. It's very interesting as event because it's a good way to unlock your 5th magic. Also, I don't know if you remember, but you have a road for the 5th anniversary. You have a similar one with Thanks for Giving, and here you can get Call of Light level 5 shard. So don't miss it. You got in the magic book the section manual, where you will find extra magic bonuses. Each skill is associated to 1 or 2 others. Same color, old with old ones, new magic with new ones. More star your skill got, more bonuses you get. You can check them in the gallery. The bonuses are added like the attribute boost to your stats directly. The magic of Clash of Kings is composed by 5 elements: ice, fire, light, dark and wind. Each one get old and new magic with 5 levels to upgrade. Let's see closer the benefit of the different magic. Element 1, Magic of Ice, the old magic, is defensive ice. It activates a shield if you are attacked by stronger than you. It will be set after the first hit. The time of shield depends on the quality of the color of the magic, as well of the power of your opponent. Element 2 of the new magic is freezing water. It gives you a chance to neutralize a unit of your target troops, less than 1% chance. Note that rally leader can wear it to get benefit for all participants, useless when you wear it when you join a rally. Fire magic is one of the most important magic when you want to be offensive. With the Alt Fire, you will increase till 2% with level 5 your crit rates and damages. What does that mean? That means that you will kill more. Bloodlust of Fire is today one of the most used magic in the game. New magic Burning Fire will have 20% chance to get burning damages. Burning damages is 50% of your damage dealt. As freezing in Super Rally, it takes effect when the setter activates it, so it's useless for joiner to activate it. When you see the attribute of the light magic with the passive skill, it does not look really sexy, as the attributes are 10% defensive that you can have easily with the arena skills or your science and ancestral spirit. And the other one with the new magic is not better. It's 10% chance to revive 3% of the dead troops. But it will be a big mistake to ignore the light magic, because his power is almost all in the manual. It have many combo. You will find the light to be added, but we focus on the level 5, because at the level 5 you will have several magic who will increase greatly your performance. So you have Holy Light of Ice, so a combo with the ice, and Storm of Light with a combo with the wind in the old magic. You have here ability to increase your offensive damages taken also, and your health. So when you combine the two magic, it gives you a good source of those skills. What it's very interesting, and I think it's something that we should work on as soon as we can, is the new magic, because the combo are unlocking very interesting skills like critical damages, reduce critical damages. You will have with the two magic combined 30%, and also you have a 2% anti-crit. So the Light of Ice, for example, that you have, you need to unlock the stars till the level 5 to get the maximum and unlock the famous skill. Dark magic is one of the most used magic also in the offensive, because it gives with Dark Shadow, the old magic, the ability to summon troops. It's simple, it will take a percentage of your units, the best one you have used in your march, and it will give you a percent of troop will go in the fight. This troop will not die, but they will do the killings. So it is interesting to get them in the rally. Remember that the rally setter will make you enjoy his magic, so for example freezing and fire, and you will add your magic, dark magic in your legion, so you will benefit the 3 magic. In this case scenario, better you choose dark magic when you join a super rally and let the rally setter get the other magics. Dark counter attack, it's very interesting because it will give you 10% chance to fight back for one time. That means that your troop will be attacked and they can give back the damages. So 10%, it's interesting to get them. For now, I didn't see much of the report of this one, but I think it's something which will be interesting to be developed. The magic of wind, it's an interesting magic because it's also for the offensive. You have in the old magic the blessing of wind. This is one of my favorite because you can attack in less 10 seconds with level 5 the target. It's interesting in event like mineral vein, the sea, or even if you have to hunt scavenger in your kingdom. It allows you to attack him in less 10 seconds, meaning that he had a really short time to react when he will see the red light on his castle. Also, it increased the damage dealt of all your troops, so interesting when you are infantry oriented cavalry, it will give you a real boost for your attack. Dodge of Wind is the new magic. This one, I think it will be interesting to focus on it with other things like the array with cancelling and the hero arrow of love, because dodge it's interesting for a certain unit of troop, for example the archery, and I think it begins to be interesting to work on that and encourage dodge in the statistic that you are looking for. I am looking forward to make some tests in the test kingdom. I will develop the archer in the castle and give you the result as soon as I can. For activate your passive skill of magic, you have to wear it. So you have to click in the magic book on wear. When you have this, you will see two slots. The first one is already unlocked. The second one, you will have to unlock it and upgrade the color to be able to put the highest color you have of the skills. The purpose is to have them the buff in gold and use them with the best skill you have. When you wear the skill will take effect in your battlefield. Some will be shown on the reports, some will be not be seen. I will give you some heads up in the last section. I will show you some report with and without the magic, so you can see what you will have to check for increase your statistic. Lucky Flip event is the best way to get the keys that you need for unlock and upgrade the slots to the highest color you can. For that you have to draw. For draw you will need coins that you will gain when the event is open when you buy a pack. It's cool because sometimes you have double chance or triple chance to get them and they come very easy, so you can upgrade faster. In my castle actually I got the second slot to level arranged right now, so it's really interesting to combine two magic to wear. We can imagine many combo. For example, wind and fire. You can have freezing and fire, and imagine what you can try for get better fights. Some of the magic is in the report, and you can see when you activate, when you wear them, that you increase the statistic directly in the report. Here we have wind with level 4, increase 6% of damage of troops. In the report you see that for example for the infantry we went to 52 with the wind, with that we were 45. With Bloodlust of Fire you can have, remember, 2% crit damage and 100% augmentation of your damages. You can see in the report with a level 4 Bloodlust the results. With Dark Magic we'll have to scroll to see in the report the effect. Next to the unit who had been increased summoned, you will have a purple circle next the number of troops you killed. It's very interesting to see that if you multiply by the number of people or who are in the rally, it can be very interesting to get. Well, it's the end for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will make a second part with more details about the fights and the use and the combination you can have. Till then, take care and see you soon.